Hi everyone, in this week tutorial I'm going to show you how to design an attractive and professional email using Canva. It's super easy and perfect for newsletters or maybe announcements or even receipts. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Canva and then just tap on create this one and then just tap on email this one and then like this. And then in here you can choose one of Canva's ready-made email templates on designs and then just choose your templates that you want, email templates that you want over here. Or you can also build your own design using elements. Just tap on elements and then over here you can choose categories that you want to use, like add headers, add footers, buttons, and many more over here. Or if you want it even faster, you can design it using AI. Just tap on designs and then over here just type your prompt, like for example like this. For example like this, just type anything, just type your prompt with clearly detail, and after that just tap on enter and then just tap on generate designs like this and then just tap on it and then like this. Canva will instantly create a full email layout for you like this. Next, you can customize your email however you like change the text, adjust the colors, swap fonts, or maybe add icons or illustrations. Just make it match your brand or your personal styles. And okay, that's it. In just a few minutes, you have created a beautiful professional looking email designs right inside Canva. Just give it a try, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.